A break from Facebook or YouTube. If you just need a roof, it's fairly simple. Just go ahead and fill out the form and click submit. If you'd like information on a roof and solar, however, finish the form, click submit, and feel free to watch the rest of this video. Like, subscribe, notification bell, notifications on in your settings, so forth and so on, while you're in the market for a roof or solar. We want to provide you information that you probably never even thought of before. So we're going to reach out to you and introduce ourselves. We'll share the cliff notes, the quick version, and request, if you're interested in the solar option, the kilowatt usage on any old electric bill, ideally from the last 2 to 3 months. The more bills you provide, if you have all 12, only one bill is necessary, and the more recent, the better. These are state programs, so it all makes sense once you see it. To see it, I would need an electric bill, the kilowatt usage, to design a solar system. The roofing, we just come out, take an inspection, and tell you the different options that you have, at least one of which you haven't heard before. My guess is maybe you have, but okay. All right, so we're NatEco. We donate a portion of our proceeds to education and the environment. NatEco solar installation and roofing. 90% of those donations that we do give go directly to the cause, which is very high, if you're familiar with charities. So let's take a step back. Originally, if you saw our Facebook or YouTube ad, I had asked the only state ending in the letter K. Did you get it yet? While you think about it, my name's Lee. I'm surveying the tree line in your neighborhood today. I'm not asking you to buy anything. In many cases, you must be a homeowner. You have to own a home. Congrats on being a homeowner, by the way. Not everyone owns homes and has to rent. So I'm surveying the tree line because the utility companies are now using clean energy, and that's why every now and again, if you're cruising down the highway, you'll start seeing telephone poles, and there'll be an actual solar panel attached to the telephone pole. Don't look up while you drive, but they are there. You'll be seeing those because National Grid and Connecticut Light and Power now have mandates by the state saying that they have to have 20% to 100% renewable energy on their grid by the year 2030. So what this stuff means essentially to homeowners is that the state is now paying for people to go solar, possibly get the roof at no cost to the homeowner, providing that they get enough sunlight. And that's why I'm surveying the tree line, because we live in a forest out here. So go ahead and submit the form. Thanks for watching. There's a PS that I put down below in the transcript of this, so might as well go for it. In case you're the type of person that likes to skip to the end, I don't know if you're skipping 3 minutes into a video to see the end of it. That wouldn't really make a lot of sense. But we get people 50-year life roofs at a fraction of the cost. And we also erase people's electric bill. A few years, you could be paying $10 a month for your electric. Only 1 in 4 homes count to erase their qualify to count to erase their electric bills. But it's worth the shot, right? Both jobs are done within 1 to 4 days, often 1 or 2. You don't lift a finger. You let us do everything. We're NatEco, solar installation and roofing, natecosystem.com. Go ahead and fill out the form, and we'll get back to you within 48 hours. And I hope we provide, we teach our people not to say the word home. We are committed to providing you with some information that you can't, you could Google, but no one's brought it to your attention yet, is my guess. So these secret state programs, just go ahead and fill out the form. We'll get you a Cliff Notes abbreviated version of what it is, the different aspects in the process. And then, we'll go ahead and get it really dialed down once we speak with you and find out exactly what it is that you need. There's no point in talking to you about a roof if you don't need a roof. You just got your roof done a year or 3 ago, 5, 10 years ago, whichever. But yeah, hope this video finds you well. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Write down all the questions that you have. We'll get them all answered for you. We'll get you all the info. We'll leave the decision making up to you, and we'll get you that info in the shortest period of time possible. Thank you so much. I hope you're having a great day. Bye now.